So last lesson, we learned how to perform long division. But if you notice at the end, all of our numbers worked out perfectly. We never had anything left over at the end. Today, I'm going to show you two examples of what happens when we do have leftovers and what we can do with them. There's a few options, and I'm only showing you one today. Remainders. So, let's start with the first problem from our worksheet. 2 goes into 611, or we can write 611 divided by 2. Both ways are perfectly fine. Now, just like we performed our long division before, let's start one step at a time. How many times does 2 go into 6? 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. We subtract and we get a 0. That's it. We've done our first step. Let's bring down the 1. How many times does 2 go into 1? It doesn't. It goes in 0 times. And 2 times 0 is 0. We subtract. And now we bring down the next one. 2 goes into 11. How many times? That's right, 5 times. So 5 times 2 is 10. We subtract and we have a 1. But here's the thing. I don't have any more numbers over here. So I have this one extra one, but no more numbers. So whenever you have leftovers or remainders, we're going to write remainder and how many we have. 1. Now this number should never, ever, ever be more than or equal to that number, which is perfect right now. So 611 divided by 2 is 305, remainder 1. Okay, that's it. That's the only difference from what we did yesterday to today. We have remainders. Let's try one more together. Oops. What is 635 divided by 3? Same thing as we always do. Where do we start? Well, how many times does 3 go into 6? I know that one. 3 times 2 is 6, and it works out perfectly. I have 0 remainders. Let's keep going. Let's bring down the 3. 3 goes into 3 how many times? Once. Because 3 times 1 is 3. How many remainders? Now, let's bring down the last number. 5. 3 goes into 5 how many times? Not evenly. It goes in 1 time. And 3 times 1 is 3. And we perform our subtraction and we get 5 minus 3, which is 2. So we need to write that. We have a remainder of 2. So 635 divided by 3 is 211, remainder 2. And that's it. So continue on with your classwork first, then do your worksheet, your independent work. I know you're going to do a great job. Bye.